Hello friends, yesterday we saw use of will for expressing future time. Then we saw the form, then we saw the distribution, negative, contracted form and also contracted negative. And now we see our next step of course is how to form yes or no questions. See example, he will come tomorrow. This is question. Now, as I already told you, as we have seen in all the tenses that we have been discussing, if the verb has got two parts, then take the first part and put it in front of the sentence. So that is, will is here. Will he come tomorrow? That will be the question. Simple. Will he come tomorrow? Understand? Or again, they will climb the hill. They will climb the hill next year. Okay, next year. It's very simple. That is, take the first part and say, will they climb the hill next year? Will they climb the hill next year? Like this. She will swim tomorrow. Will she swim? She will sing. Will she sing? Right? They will take the exam next year. Will they take the exam next year? They will complete their work tomorrow. Will they complete the work tomorrow? It's very simple assessment. There's no problem at all. So I think that you can now make as many sentences as possible and then convert them into yes or no questions. Understand? Let's do some more examples, and I think things will be easy for you. Alright, so here we go. We have got our standard word English. Our standard word that we use for all tenses is eat, because that's very important. All of us live for eating, at least some eating, isn't it? Something has to eat, right? So then what happens is, you say, I will eat bananas tomorrow. So that will be, question will be, will you eat bananas tomorrow? Alright. And next, let us say another word which one right is. They will complete, not write, complete the exercise next day. So the question will be, will they complete the exercise next day? See that sentence? That is so. It is simple. We will think of it. We will come up with a solution. So will you, first person and second person, will you come up with a solution? Will come up with with a solution. Okay. Alright. He will positively do it tomorrow. Will he positively do it tomorrow? Very simple. Anything. Because for one thing there is no change. All what you do is just move alpha. That is the word here. The first word is here. You move it and then you will get the question. That is yes or no question. So it's okay. See, the only problem what we find in yes or no questions is in single word tenses, like the simple present and the simple past, where you have to insert do. If it is present tense, you have to insert do. If it is past tense, you have to insert did. If you have any doubt, please go through my lectures, earlier lectures on English grammar tutorials, then you will get it. Understand? I think now it will be enough. Tomorrow you can do an exercise. or together we will be doing an exercise tomorrow. By the time, I think that things will be very clear. So till then, bye.